We begin with the major global development involving rising tensions between the United States and Iran, a situation that could shape not just regional stability but the global economy as well. Iran has now made its position clear, saying it is ready for either war or talks, and that the ball is in the United States court. This comes at a time when the US President Donald Trump has hinted that Washington may reject Tehran's latest peace proposal. According to reports, Iran has submitted a 14-point proposal aimed at ending the ongoing conflict. The proposal reportedly including demands such as lifting sanctions, unfreezing Iranian assets, and reopening the Strait of Hormuz, one of the most critical oil transit route in the world. However, the US response has been far from encouraging. Donald Trump has openly expressed skepticism about the proposal, saying he cannot imagine it being acceptable. In fact, he has gone a step further, warning that if Iran misbehaves, the United States could resume military strikes. Now, this strong statement has raised concerns globally because this is not just about two countries. This conflict directly impacts global oil supply, energy prices, and international security. To understand the gravity of the situation, we need to look at the Strait of Hormuz, a narrow but extremely crucial maritime passage through which nearly 20% of the world's oil supply passes. Due to ongoing tensions and blockades in the region, shipping through these routes has already been severely disrupted. As a result, global oil prices have surged and countries around the world are feeling the economic impact. Now coming back to the Iran statement, Iranian officials have clearly said that they are prepared for both diplomacy and confrontation. In simple terms, they are leaving the final decision to the United States. But here's where things get complicated. While Iran is proposing a phased approach, focusing first on easing tensions and reopening trade routes, the US is insisting on stricter conditions, particularly regarding Iran's nuclear program. This fundamental disagreement is the biggest hurdle in reaching any agreement. Experts believe that both sides are currently engaged in a high-stakes strategic games. On one hand, Iran is trying to ease economic pressure by reopening trade routes. On the other, the US wants long-term guarantees, especially on nuclear restrictions. And amid all this, the risk of escalation remains very real. Remember, this conflict escalated earlier this year following US and Israeli strikes on Iran, which led to retaliations and eventually disruptions in the Strait of Hormuz, pushing the region into a tense standoff. Even though a temporary ceasefire was announced, the situation remains fragile, with both sides keeping military options open. Another important angle here is domestic pressure. In the United States, rising fuel prices are becoming a major political issue, with citizens already feeling the pinch. So, any decision taken now, whether the diplomatic or military, will have both global and domestic consequences. At the same time, Iran is also facing internal economic challenges, making it equally important for Tehran to find a resolution. So, where does this leave us? At this moment, the situation stands at a critical crossroads. Will diplomacy prevail, or will tensions escalate into a wider conflict? The coming days will be crucial as both nations decide their next move. That's all for now. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, and subscribe our channel.